had to get the new Starkers ice cream.
I gave Mama a big bite of mine.
Starkers ice cream.
No,
So I'll give you guys a peek.
I gave Mama.
Sneak peek.
Look how much I gave Mama. She loves it.
It has a little bit of nuts in it, but I ate a little bit of it, but look at it. It's so good. Take a scoop. Maybe you're through. Here. Oh, I forgot you guys can't taste it. Sorry. But go buy it at Walmart. That's really good. Has no nuts in it. I was just pranking. Bye.